Hello, today we will guide you through how to add candle close timer in Exness chart. If you want to see exactly how much time is left before the current candle closes, this setting can be very helpful. It gives you a countdown directly on the chart, which can make timing entries, exits, or simply following market movement a lot easier, especially if you use shorter time frames. To begin, go to the sample trade page in the Exness web trading platform. Once the trading screen loads, make sure you are looking at the chart area, since that is where the timer setting will be enabled. Take a moment to let the chart fully appear so all chart controls are visible. Next, look toward the lower right area of the chart and find the Settings option. This is typically where chart display controls are grouped, so if you do not see it immediately, focus on the chart toolbar and the controls attached to the chart itself rather than the main account or trading panels. When you locate the Settings option, click on it to open the Chart Settings menu. This menu contains different customization options for how information appears on your chart. Opening settings is the key step that gives you access to visual tools like labels and display elements. Inside the settings menu, click on Labels. This section is where the platform lets you control informational items shown on the chart. Labels often include small on-screen indicators that help you read chart details more efficiently, so this is the right place to continue. From there, look for the option called Countdown Bar and click on it to enable it. Once selected, the candle close timer should appear on the chart, showing the remaining time before the active candle finishes. This can be especially useful if you are monitoring candle-by-candle behavior and want a more precise sense of timing without manually calculating it. After enabling the countdown bar, you can return to the chart and confirm that the timer is now visible. If needed, give the chart a second to refresh. A good tip is to check it on an active time frame where candles are updating regularly, since the timer will be easier to notice there. And that's it. You have successfully added the candle close timer to your Exness chart. With this setting turned on, your chart can become more informative and easier to use during live market analysis.